Hello everyone, thank you for coming to watch this next video. We wanted to take a few moments to explain to you what you can benefit from taking this program with us. Because of our skill sets, this epidemic that's happening right now, it's completely unheard of. We've never seen or experienced anything like this in our lifetime, at least not in my own. But the gap in food supply is not going to affect us personally because of what we do. We provide most of our food right here in our own backyards. And we want to teach you how to start with the right foundation and grow to success and ensure your own food security. Because it's a simple process, supply and demand. Our population is still consuming. We are consumers. We are always eating. It's just the way it is. We're eating, and we only have a certain amount of food supply, and that food supply you're seeing on the news, entire crops are being plowed underground because there's no market right now because of what's happening, and there's no manpower to harvest the crops because of social distancing and because of the epidemic. So it takes a certain amount of time to grow and produce the food and replace those food stores. So when you have that gap in your food supply, we're eating what we have stockpiled, and then there's going to be a gap because we haven't replenished that yet. So if you aren't seeing the food shortages yet, you will be soon. It's going to be right in our own backyards in no time. And we're so passionate about what we do, and we saw this need, and we know, oh my God, people are going to be going hungry, and it is going to happen. So we knew we had to share our knowledge and skills with people like you who know that this is coming, and they want to ensure some food security for themselves and their family. During that lull in the food supply, you want to eliminate that. If you invest in us, we can show you how to grow to success and ensure that you don't experience that lull in the gap in the food supply. It's simple supply and demand, and we want you to maintain your supply.
Whether you have a large backyard, just a small city lot, or you have a family member or a friend, a neighbor that has usable land, no matter what the size, we'd like you to take this opportunity and produce some food for yourselves and for your family. It's imperative that you do it now.
We can teach you to do it to your fullest potential.
Yes, we can, and we fear for what could possibly be coming, and this is the time to do it. Don't put it off, please. We're imploring you, please.